Okay, so I'm going to show how to make the lips keychain. This one is more simpler than the heart. So you're going to start with the new OnShape document, and you're going to click sketch and click on top sketch, and to snap to the top plane, you're going to go to the cube again and click on top. And you're going to create the construction line in the center, which will be useful for mirroring. And just press escape so you get out of the line tool. And now you're going to go to the spline again. And this might take a couple tries to get, but you're going to, for the lips, it'll be this shape. And press escape. And you're going to make the bottom part. And now you're just going to, like with the heart, adjust how you want your lips to look. And I think that's good. And now you're going to go to the mirror tool, click on the center line that we made earlier. And then now you're going to select both sides of the lips. And you're going to deselect the mirror tool. And just to make it even on the bottom here, I would drag this down just a little so that the lines connect fully. And you have the base done. So you're going to extrude by 2.5. And now you're going to use the fillet function and click on the top and bottom parts of the lip. And you're going to drag this circle in. You're going to drag it in slowly until the circles in the center disappear. And check. And snap back to the top. And you're going to go to either corner. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to use this corner. And you're going to draw those two circles again. You're going to start a sketch and then click on the back plane, the top plane. And then you're going to have those two circles again. You're going to want part of the first circle to overlap into here. You're going to draw the second circle. And you're going to dimension the circles. You're going to round this to whatever number it's closest to. And this one's going to be 3 less. Now you're just going to drag this so that the edge of the lips aren't poking out through the circle. Or if you want, you can just have just a little bit, but just keep it like that. And then you're going to extrude the outer part of the circle to 2.5. Or if you want it to look a little less bulky, you could just go with 1.5 as well. But just to keep it, just to give it stability, yes. And essentially, that's it.